What if Photoshop could understand your ideas, not after exporting your file, not after uploading it to another AI website, right there while you're creating? It means you no longer have to leave Photoshop in the middle of your branding projects, thumbnail designs, product photography, or any other creative workflow. Everything you're seeing on the screen started inside Photoshop. The AI images, the realistic mockups, the different camera angles, the perfectly separated layers. I never had to leave my canvas. But the feature that genuinely surprised me was Realtime AI. We've all had that moment when we know exactly what we want, but we just can't draw it. But now even a rough sketch is enough, a few messy strokes, and the AI starts turning them into something that actually looks like your idea right as you're drawing. The new Higgsfield Photoshop plugin adds a whole new set of powerful AI features that make Photoshop even more capable than before. So today, we're putting every major feature to the test to see if the new Higgsfield Photoshop plugin is actually worth adding to your workflow. Most of you already know Higgsfield, and if you haven't tried it yet, you'll find the link in the description. Its latest update, CDance 2.04K, has been making a lot of noise lately, and for good reason. I already made a dedicated video covering it along with some useful tips, so be sure to check that out. Now let's take a look at the plugins. Just choose the software you want. Higgsfield offers plugins for Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and several other creative apps. So you can install them using either ZXP installer or Adobe Creative Cloud. For example, in Photoshop, simply open plugins, launch Higgsfield, and you're ready to go. From that point on, almost every image-related feature is available right inside Photoshop as its own panel, alongside your other tools. Personally, I think that's a huge workflow improvement. One feature I really love is that all of your previous generations from the web version are automatically available here as well. You can import them directly into your project as editable layers and keep working without leaving Photoshop. That's incredibly useful. Now let's start by testing the image generator. Everything works just like it does on the website. You can write your prompt, choose from all the available image generators, and customize the settings for each one. Whether you're creating animated characters or anything else, you can generate them in seconds and bring them directly onto your Photoshop canvas for editing. I also think it's an absolute game changer for thumbnail design. You can generate your first thumbnail using a prompt and a few reference characters, then import it as editable layers and refine every part of it inside Photoshop. One of my favorite features is Decompose. It automatically detects the different elements in your image, separates them into individual layers, and lets you import whichever ones you want onto the canvas. And it's not limited to generated images. Even if you upload one of your own thumbnails, like this one from my YouTube channel, you can still use Decompose. It separates the elements and intelligently reconstructs the hidden background behind them, which is incredibly useful. Another feature that's essential for almost every designer is remove background, and it works really well. For example, you can separate the subject from the background in a thumbnail, then place your text cleanly between the foreground and background for a much stronger composition. The same goes for features like expand, upscale, and relight. Instead of jumping between different tools and wasting time, you can do everything right here inside Photoshop. Now let's move on to some of the more advanced and exciting features. I imported one of my own photos, and the first thing I want to do is enhance the skin using AI. Here you can choose the look you want, whether it's softer skin, a more realistic finish, or an intentionally imperfect style. In just a few seconds, it cleaned up the skin beautifully. It even improved the lighting quite noticeably. Next, I want photos of myself from different camera angles. Normally, I'd have to set up a camera in a studio for this, but now I can do it with just a few clicks inside Photoshop. Top view, back view, left, right, or virtually any camera angle you can imagine. It generates brand new shots while keeping everything remarkably consistent. Honestly, that's an incredible feature. The next tool can generate multiple shots from a single image and arrange them into a sequence. As you can see, it does an excellent job. This makes it perfect for creating storyboards during an animation or filmmaking pipeline without having to generate every shot one by one. I also tested it with another image, so you can get a better idea of how well it performs. There are plenty of other powerful tools here too, like Mockup Studio, Face Swap, Character Swap, and AI Stylist, all of which can be incredibly useful. But my favorite feature has to be Realtime AI. It's genuinely impressive and it's a lot of fun to use. With Realtime AI, you can create complete scenes from just a few simple sketches. It doesn't matter whether you know how to draw or not. I literally drew 3 quick lines and it turned them into an entire mountain range. You can switch between different visual styles, change the mood, generate multiple variations, and even customize the color palette. Imagine drawing a simple house in a field like a child would with a few rough lines. Within seconds, you can turn it into realistic renders, stylized illustrations, or fully cartoon versions. Personally, I think this plugin is an incredibly useful tool for designers and concept artists, and it can save a huge amount of time during the creative process. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, stay creative.